Hi students, today we will learn some organic topics: aldol condensation reaction, essential conditions, its mechanism, types of aldol condensation reaction. Those are cross aldol and intramolecular aldol condensation reaction. Finally, some selected multiple choice questions. First of all, what is aldol condensation reaction? See this one. Aldol condensation reaction. Aldol means in a single compound both aldehyde and alcohol functional groups are present. Those are called aldol. Aldehyde means CHO group and OH. Both the groups are present in a single organic compound, that is called aldol. Condensation means small molecules like HCl, NH3, H2O molecules are eliminated during the formation of the product, that is called condensation reaction. To exhibit this aldol condensation reaction, necessary conditions are alpha hydrogen. Alpha hydrogens are required to exhibit this aldol condensation reaction. Aldehydes or ketones having these alpha hydrogens can exhibit aldol condensation reaction. Carbon atom attached to CHO group or C double bond O group is called alpha carbon. Corresponding hydrogens are called alpha hydrogens. See this example, acetaldehyde. What is the formula? CH3CHO. Two molecules of acetaldehyde undergo aldol condensation reaction in presence of dilute bases like NaOH, KOH. See this, in this reaction, suitable catalysts are dilute bases. Dilute bases means NaOH, KOH, BaOH twice. Sometimes C2H5ONa can also act as a catalyst in this reaction. So NaOH, KOH, BaOH twice and C2H5ONa are acts as a suitable catalyst in aldol condensation reaction. Acetaldehyde 2CH3CHO gives rise to dilute NaOH. Then we can get CH3, CHOH, CH2, CHO. This is aldol because in these two functional groups CHO and OH both are present. This compound undergoes further change on heating. That means on heating it undergoes dehydration to form this product CH3, CH double bond CH, CHO. This is crotonaldehyde, or it is also called alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde. See this one, functional group is aldehyde. This is alpha carbon, this is beta carbon. Alpha beta carbons having unsaturation, so this is simply called alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde. Otherwise its IUPAC name, if we say this IUPAC name, total carbon atoms are 4. CHO is the functional group. Double bond is present between second and third carbon. So its name is but2-ene-1-all. See this, its name, but2-ene-1-all. This is the IUPAC name for this compound. Now see the mechanism. In these three steps are there in its mechanism. First one is formation of carbene ion. Carbene ion means carbon atom having negative charge. Formation of carbene ion. This reaction is catalyzed by dilute bases like NaOH. That base provides OH minus ion. That OH minus ion abstract alpha hydrogen. This alpha hydrogen having acidic character. That's why OH minus ion combined with alpha hydrogen and is removed in the form of water molecule. See this one, acetaldehyde we can write in this way also, CH2H CHO plus OH minus. This OH minus abstract this proton, this bonded electron shifted to this carbon atom, then negative charge is developed on this carbon, that is nothing but carbene ion. plus H2O. This is carbanion. It acts as a nucleophile. Nucleophile means species having negative charge. So here carbon atom having negative charge, it acts as a nucleophile. Second step, attacking of nucleophile. This nucleophile attacks at carbonyl carbon of the second aldehyde molecule. Here two aldehyde molecules are participating. So see the second step in this mechanism. CH3, C double bond O, H plus CH2 minus CHO gives rise to this one. CH3, CHO minus CH2, CHO. In this compound, C double bond O group is there. Here pi electrons are shifted on the oxygen atom due to its more electronegativity. That's why negative charge is developed on the oxygen. Consequently, positive charge is developed on the carbon. This positively charged carbon and negatively charged carbon both are attracted to each other and form this species. Now in the third step, formation of beta hydroxyaldehyde. See this one, CH3 CHO minus CH2 CHO plus H2O. Then we can get CH3 CHOH CH2 CHO plus OH minus. In the first step, OH minus is involved, and the third step, OH minus is eliminated. Now this is aldol. In this, both aldehyde and OH groups are present. So this is aldol. This compound on further heating loses water molecule. That means undergo dehydration. Say this one, CH3 CHOH CH2 CHO. On heating, losing water molecule, then we can get CH3 CH double bond CH CHO. This CH2 we can write like this also, hydrogen. This is removed as water molecule. This is crotonaldehyde. So this is aldol condensation product. Crotonaldehyde is the aldol condensation product. So aldol condensation having three steps mechanism: formation of carbanion, attacking of nucleophile, final step is formation of beta hydroxyaldehyde. Now this aldol condensation reaction is classified into two types. See this types. First one is cross or mixed aldol condensation. Second one is intramolecular aldol condensation reaction. Now say this cross aldol. Different aldehydes or different ketones, or one aldehyde and one ketone, or aldehyde having alpha hydrogen, another aldehyde having no alpha hydrogen. See this one, different aldehydes or different ketones, different aldehydes or different ketones. Example for this, acetaldehyde, propionaldehyde. For this example, acetone, butanone. acetone and butanone. See this one, acetone or butanone. Otherwise, one aldehyde having alpha hydrogen, another aldehyde does not contain alpha hydrogen. See this category, aldehyde with alpha hydrogen. Another one, aldehyde having no alpha hydrogen. For this example, CH3CHO. For this example, benzaldehyde CH3CHO. In this, alpha carbon does not contain any hydrogen. That's why this type of combination also come under this category. Remember this point. Two different aldehydes, two different ketones. One aldehyde having alpha hydrogen, another one does not contain alpha hydrogen, participate in cross aldol condensation. It is also called mixed aldol condensation reaction. Now take an example. Acetaldehyde formula CH3CHO reacts with propionaldehyde CH3CH2CHO. This is the equation for this. CH3CHO plus CH3CH2CHO in presence of dilute bases like KOH. We can get different types of products. 4 products we can get for these reactants. See one by one. First, between acetaldehyde molecules, aldol condensation reaction takes place, and between propionaldehyde molecules, this is propionaldehyde, and this one is acetaldehyde. Between acetaldehyde molecules, one condensation product, and among propionaldehyde molecules, one condensation product, and between acetaldehyde and propionaldehyde, one product, and propionaldehyde and acetaldehyde, another product. Finally, 4 products we can get. See one by one. First, among acetaldehyde molecules, CH3CHO plus CH2CHO. We can write acetaldehyde in this manner also. This is alpha carbon, this is alpha hydrogen. This alpha hydrogen combines with C double bond O group of another acetaldehyde molecule. That means like this. Then we can get CH3, CHOH, CH2, CHO. This compound on heating loses water molecule, undergo dehydration. This compound undergo dehydration on heating, then we can get the product CH3, CH double bond, CH, CHO. So this is one product. See here, CH3, CH double bond, CH, CHO plus obtained from 2 molecules of acetaldehyde. 2 molecules of acetaldehyde. Next, among propionaldehyde molecules, condensation product is obtained. Say this one, CH3, CH2, C double bond O, H plus CH3, CH2, CHO. Here, this acidic hydrogen, that is alpha hydrogen, attaches to this oxygen. Then we can get CH3, CH2, CH, OH, CH, CH3, CHO. Here, attachment of this group we should do carefully. See this one, aldol compound CH3, CH2, CHOH, CH below CH3 and terminal position is CHO. This compound undergo dehydration on heating, then we can get unsaturated aldehyde, that is heating, water molecule is removed. From this water molecule is removed, then we can get CH3, CH2, CH double bond C below CH3, CHO. Okay, so this is one product right here. CH3, CH2, CH double bond C below CH3, CHO. From two molecules of propionaldehyde. Two molecules of propionaldehyde and two more products we can get. See the reaction for that. CH3, C double bond O, H. This is acetaldehyde. This is acetaldehyde. Now propionaldehyde, CH2 below CH3, CHO gives rise to, here this alpha hydrogen attaches to the oxygen atom of the acetaldehyde. Alpha hydrogen atom of propionaldehyde attaches to the oxygen atom of the acetaldehyde to form aldol product. See this aldol product, that is CH3, CHOH, CH3, CHO. This compound undergo dehydration on heating. Then we can get CH3, CH double bond C, CH3, CHO. From this, water molecule is removed. Now write this one in the main reaction. CH3, CH double bond C, CH3, CHO. This one. Now from one molecule of acetaldehyde plus one molecule of propionaldehyde. Next, finally, see this one. CH3, CHO, CH3, CH2, propionaldehyde I am writing, plus CH2, CHO, acetaldehyde. So we can get, in this, acidic hydrogen of acetaldehyde attaches to oxygen atom of the propionaldehyde, then we can get aldol product, that is CH3, CH2, CHOH, CH2, CHO. This compound on heating, further heating undergoes dehydration, removing of water molecule CH3, CH2, CH double bond CH, CHO. Here from this water molecule is removed, CH3, CH2, CH double bond CH, CHO. Right here CH3, CH2, CH double bond CH, CHO. This one. This is also from one molecule of acetaldehyde and one molecule of propionaldehyde. So in this way, in cross aldol or mixed aldol condensation, we can get different types of products. Generally, students feel difficult in finding products for this cross aldol condensation. If you practice carefully, you can answer correctly. Okay. Next, intramolecular aldol condensation reaction. Intramolecular means within the same molecule. aldol condensation reaction takes place. For this, the given reactant should contain 2 aldehydes or 2 ketones or 1 aldehyde and 1 ketone. In that case, we can observe intramolecular aldol condensation reaction. See the example for this category. Intramolecular aldol condensation. Intramolecular aldol condensation reaction. Diketones, dialdehydes or 1 aldehyde plus 1 ketone are present in the same molecule, then we can observe this type of reaction. Example for this: CHO, CH3. This compound undergoes intramolecular aldol condensation reaction. Then we can get, this is alpha hydrogen, this one also alpha hydrogen. These alpha hydrogens are more acidic, so these alpha hydrogens are attached at this aldehyde oxygen atom. Then we can get CH2, 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 C, H, OH, one, two, three, four, 5, C double bond O, CH3. Now this compound on further heating, we can remove water molecule from this. Here hydrogen atom is there. From this water molecule is removed. Then we can get CH2, 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 CH, double bond, CH3. Or simply this structure we can write in another way, that is this one. This is intramolecular aldol condensation reaction.